What's up, YouTube? Novadollar Investment here with another video. I'm updating our portfolio here. Continuing on with our challenge with our options credit spread challenge. I haven't updated this thing in a long time, so I wanted to drop a video updating y'all where the portfolio was. Remember, we started with $5,000, right? 5 grand, and we have been very inconsistent in actually putting on trades and executing and so on. But I wanted to give y'all an update. So right now the portfolio is sitting at $4,500 in value, and right now we have a few trades that are still that are pending, which is the reason why you're looking at the $60,000 value in cash and sweep vehicle. But right now we're in SPY. We sold a put, the 683.82 put, expiring on the 20th of February, right, which is 20 days from now, obviously. Today being 31 January. So we'll see how that goes. Right now we're down, right, 500, and we also in NDX. We've sold 4 contracts of NDX, expiring on the same date, and right now we're up $100 in that trade. And then we have two working orders in here currently, set for 50% off what I sold, 50% off what I sold the contracts for in the first place. So I don't normally hold these all the way into expiration. I have a proprietary method of determining when the market is oversold or overbought for a particular asset, and selling credit spreads on those assets. So we're doing that right now in this demo portfolio, and then we're going to transition over to a live portfolio once we hit $100,000 in net liquid. So we've started with 5,000. I think we started back in, I don't know, I think August or something. If I just go back and watch the other videos, you'll see. And I haven't updated in a long time because I've been traveling and doing all kind of craziness. That now I'm finally starting to get my time back now and be able to jump on and do these and actually focus. So here we are, 45,000, and let's take a look at some of the trades that I've executed over the last however long we've been doing this. So let's see if I can go back. I want to go back 30 days. I want to go back all the way until, let's go last year. Let's go last January. Let's do that. All right, let's do that. Let's take a look. Let's go 27 Jan until now. Whew. Okay, so here we are right here. So we started back in, actually we started in April last year. So here it is. So April last year is when we started we started with 5K in the account. And then I'm not gonna go through every single trade because that's crazy. That'll take too much time, and I don't want to take up too much of you all's time. However, here's how we got to 45,000. So here's what we've been doing. As you can see, we haven't lost any money. We took a small dip here in NQ. Let's keep going down. You can pause the video and take a look if you need to. See, I'm in and out, in and out, in and out. Typical hold time for some of these trades are anywhere from a day to 2 days. And then we went for a huge risk here on this day, and was able to make some big money here. keep going. And then as you can see, so we stopped trading for a while from October 22nd all the way until here in January. Or sorry, December. So last day of December is when I started trading again, right? And then so as you can see, we did a trade there in SPY, we did a trade in Costco, we bought back SPY, and we bought back Costco way down here, and then we did some other trades here with Oracle and so on, just testing out the system, and actually lost some money here on Oracle, just trying to refine the system. Got up to at least 60,000, 59,000 here, and then lost it back, just testing things out. Lost 17 grand here, and then we just slowly started going back down till we got back down to 30,000 here a few weeks ago, and then something clicked. Just kept on refining the system. Here we are down another. We lost another 18,000, so we're down to 28,000 there, and then we lost another 6,000 here on the 13th. And look at the portfolio now. We're down to 18,000. Then we're down to 18,000 down here on the 14th. And then we started taking things serious again and started climbing back up, as you can see. Then we went back down to 26. So we've been very volatile. Look at this, guys. We're up 50,000 and 50,000, and we went back down. And then from here, it clicked again. I just kept on trying to refine the system. Kept trying to figure out exactly what I was doing wrong. And then here you see I started just going crazy. Boom, 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 boom. Climbing. Actually lost money here. And then boom, boom. To the point now where we're at 45,000. So that's the video right now, guys. We'll see how we fare next week in the markets. I'm gonna continue to do these videos more frequently until we get to the 100,000. Then we'll switch over to live trading, and then we'll take a live account from. We'll probably start with 3,000 and try to go all the way to 100,000 in the live account. So if you wanna tag along for that journey, hey, like, subscribe in the video, comment, critique, and maybe one day I'll go over my strategy and how I'm going about executing these trades and what I'm looking for while I'm doing so. But right now, I just want to concentrate on building the account and getting the number up, so we can quickly get past this practice demo mode and get into live money and put our emotions on the line, so to speak. Anyways, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.